If you have ever driven down a freshly paved road, you might have noticed stubborn black spots clinging to your car paint. With the right products and a little patience, you can safely remove dried tar without damaging the paint. Start by washing the affected area with warm water and car soap. This helps remove surface dirt and makes it easier to see where the tar spots are. Yum tar and residue remover quickly dissolve tough tar spots and sticky residues, leaving your car's surface clean and glossy without harming the paint. Spray the tar remover evenly over each dried tar spot, making sure the surface is fully covered. Hold the spray a few inches away from the car's surface to ensure an even and gentle application. Allow it to sit for a few minutes so the formula can break down the tough, sticky residue. Next, spray a few squirts of tar remover onto a microfiber towel and gently rub it over the car dried tar spots. Use light, circular motions to lift the softened tar without scratching the paint. If needed, reapply a little more product to stubborn areas for a cleaner finish. This process will leave your car surface smooth, spotless, and looking freshly detailed. Intensive Tar Remover is a powerful solution designed to dissolve stubborn tar, adhesive, and oil residues with ease. Its advanced formula works quickly, breaking down tough spots without harming your car's paint or finish. Simply apply it to the affected areas, let it soak, and wipe away for a spotless result. With Intensive Tar Remover, your car regains its clean, glossy look in minutes, no scrubbing required. Goo Gone has oil-based properties that penetrate and soften stubborn, dried tar residue, making it easier to remove from your car surface. Spray Goo Gone over the affected areas of your car paint, where tar spots are usually dried and stubborn. As you gently agitate the tar with your hand, you will be surprised at how it softens and starts to lift off. After this, take a microfiber cloth and carefully wipe over the paint to remove the tar. This step usually takes some time. So be patient and make sure to remove all of the softened tar residue from the surface. Ulex is an effective tar and adhesive remover that cleans deeply, without leaving any residue that could attract dirt or contaminants. It's safe to use on paint, clear coat, paint protection film, and other exterior coatings. This makes it ideal for maintaining your car finish. The product contains no harsh chemicals, ensuring a safe and efficient cleaning process. Ulex works on a wide range of sticky substances, including adhesives, rubber, tree resin, and tar. Its powerful formula softens these residues, allowing them to be wiped away easily. Overall, Ulex provides a reliable, paint-safe solution for keeping your car free of stubborn tar and other contaminants. WD-40 is a handy solution for loosening and removing stubborn tar spots from your car paint. Apply WD-40 generously over the dried tar spots on your car. Let it sit for a few minutes to soften the residue for easy removal. Next, take a clean microfiber cloth and gently wipe over the tar spots using small, straight motions. The spots should come off easily. Apply gentle pressure with your finger or palm to help lift any stubborn areas. You will see how much tar residue comes off with your cloth, leaving your car fresh, clean, and with a spotless finish. Super Clean Cleaner Degreaser has high alkalinity, which allows it to effectively break down and dissolve tough tar residue. Take a microfiber cloth and fold it in half twice to make a smaller pad. Pour a small amount of Super Clean Degreaser onto the cloth. Rub the cloth over the dried tar and grease stains on your car. This process may take some time, as the stains are stubborn and dried. Apply gentle pressure with your hand to help loosen the tar spots. Repeat this process for each individual stain. As needed, apply more cleaner to the cloth and continue rubbing. After some time, all the dried tar stains should be removed, and your car will regain its clean, restored appearance. Tar and Sap Remover is another highly effective solution for removing stubborn tar from your car. Simply spray the remover on the affected areas and allow it to sit for a few minutes to soften the residue. Then, gently wipe the surface with a clean microfiber cloth to lift the tar and sap. With regular use, tar and sap removers help maintain your car's clean, glossy finish. By using these methods, you will safely remove stubborn tar and restore your car paint to a clean, smooth, and spotless finish. Consistent care with these products helps preserve your car shine and protects it from future stains.